Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bamboo xylophone. First, selecting the right bamboo is crucial for a resonant instrument. Look for mature poles, ideally 2 to 3 inches in diameter, ensuring they are free from any cracks or damage. Next, gather your essential tools, including a saw for cutting, a chisel for shaping, sandpaper for smoothing, and a digital tuner for precise pitch adjustments. These preparations lay the foundation for a successful project. Now let's move on to creating the keys. You will cut your bamboo into different lengths. Remember, longer pieces produce lower notes and shorter ones create higher pitches. After cutting, carefully split each section lengthwise to form a half cylinder. This shape is ideal for a xylophone bar. Finally, use sandpaper to smooth all the cut edges, which prevents splinters and enhances the instrument's overall sound and appearance. Tuning is a critical step to achieve harmonious sounds. To lower a key's pitch, carefully remove material from the center of its underside using a chisel or sandpaper. If a key is too low, you can raise its pitch by shaving material from its ends. This process requires patience and precision. Use a digital chromatic tuner to guide your adjustments, ensuring each bamboo key produces the exact musical note you intend for your instrument. With your keys tuned, it's time for assembly. Mount each bamboo key onto a sturdy frame, ensuring they are suspended freely to allow for maximum vibration. Crucially, support the keys at their nodal points, which are about 22.5% in from each end, for the best resonance. Finally, craft mallets from sticks with rubber tips or soft wood. Then, enjoy playing your handmade bamboo xylophone and exploring its beautiful sounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.